Okay, I'm going to teach you how to work with what's called .pptx files. That means you're going to use the latest version of PowerPoint, whether it's 2010 or 2011. Now, the latest versions of PowerPoint do some amazing things with the transparencies on the shapes, credible fonts, something called smart graphics, where it automatically creates these amazing charts. I can change these very quickly. So I can make a whole other video just showing you the powerful design tools of the latest PowerPoints. So if you really want to make the best looking slides and have that available for presentation, there's a couple things you need to keep in mind. So what we're going to do is we're going to save this as what's called a .pptx. Okay, and a .pptx is will keep all of your graphics and transitions intact. So that's really the best one that you will want. So go ahead and name your file, and we're going to go ahead and save this. Okay, so now it's a .pptx. Go ahead and go to your Google Documents by signing in, and here I am, and I'm going to go ahead and upload the .pptx. In this case, I can just click and drag the file. So I have it right here. Let's go ahead and drag this in, and I know I got the right file because it says .pptx right here. Okay, I'm going to show you what happens. Now, you can check this box that says convert documents. However, it will not convert .pptx. Okay, if you click on this box, file types and size limits, this tells you actually what kind, and you'll see that for PowerPoint, .pptx is not an option, so it won't convert. So in this case, then you can uncheck this box because it won't mean anything. This is to convert text from PDF or image files. That's not what we're doing, so don't worry about that. Now make sure you put it into the right folder. Okay, and go ahead and start your upload. And there's our check mark. Now let's take a look and see how Google handled it. Okay, now what you can see here is most of our slides look intact, as you can see. Looks like there's a slight degradation here, and looks like we lost our smart chart somewhere. Let me make sure. So yes, it is on the original one, so we lost that. Now, don't get scared. Don't worry. This is only what's called a preview. Okay, this is not really meant for people to see. You can't really put this on a website or anything. In fact, this is just a preview of our slides. Okay, so in fact, we can't make any changes. If you look here on the left, there are no design tools. We can't add shapes. We can't take out any text. We can't do really anything to this. We can't delete anything. It's just what you see is what you get. And so it's basically, when we go back to Google Docs here, all it is it's storing the file. We even get a little preview box right here, but we really can't do anything with it. So what if you want to make some changes? Well, what do? Well, you're basically going to have to go to File, download the original. Let's go ahead and do that. And here it is. We're going to open it. Oh, and look, hey, there's our font. Okay, there's our graphics. So everything's still there. We just couldn't see it when Google was giving us a preview. And so why would somebody do this? Well, basically, this is a situation where you don't have a flash drive, or there's no way to save your PowerPoint that you made. Maybe you were at a friend's house, maybe at the library, maybe at the computer lab, and you made this beautiful PowerPoint, but you have no way of saving it. So the best thing to do is to go ahead and upload it to Google Docs. But the only catch is you're going to have to download it anytime you want to make changes. Okay, so as you see, we were able to download it, but you're going to have to re-upload it again. So let's say I open this up. Oh, and I go, wait a minute, something's wrong. Maybe I should have put the period number. I need to make a change. So I need to go download original. Let's open it up. Let's make our changes. We need to save it now. Make sure it's .pptx. Saves. Go back to Google Docs. Okay, so you have to upload it again basically. So we're going to upload it. Let's put it here. Uncheck this box because it doesn't matter. Select your collection. Start upload. Looks like it's finished. Let's take a look. And so there we go. There's our period number that we added. So making changes is the cycle of downloading and uploading every time you want to save it to the cloud. So it is a little more complicated, but in this way you're able to maintain your .pptx format.